This 2023 Winnebago Forza 38W is a Class A RV. It is located in North Canton, Ohio 44,720 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, rear bath, 2 full baths. This 2023 Winnebago Forza 38W is built on a Freightliner XCS chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.